You're going to have to move the item to the boat, but I'm going to show you a little trick.
Looking for Opportunities has its ups and downs at STEM Launch School in Thornton.
Sometimes things work and sometimes they don't. And that's our world.
What we had to do was find out which one was positive, negative.
Opportunities for students like Anika Johnson
Like say a negative and positive are connecting, it won't work.
to teach her mom a lesson or two.
A lot of parents don't know like all the new stuff that we're learning, and it's kind of fun teaching it.
I'm knowing of what's going on. I have an idea of what she's doing. I'm actually getting to see what she's doing physically for myself.
And then it'll go around here and then lay down the stem part.
Lessons that these educators want everyone in their community to learn about technology.
The idea behind that is not only to get our students involved in utilizing the tools that we have here, but also get their families involved.
When we start problem solving together and giving people tools that they don't have access to, we're going to let people show what all they know. You need the power cord at least.
That's why they had the idea to start the Family MakerSpace program, providing families a chance to learn about technology and putting tools in the hands of students.
I feel like my students get a better understanding of what science actually is by being able to try out things and fail and learn from those failures.
If you don't have time to tinker in your own time and not just when it's a class assignment, you don't get that opportunity to invent.
That invention of an idea is why these two educators won the Succeeds Prize for Excellence in Education Innovation.
To build on that, build excitement around that, build the recognition of the great education that's going on around the state.
Educators getting recognition for caring
To make tech available to every single person in our community.
while encouraging these students to look for opportunities to give back.
They are the innovators of our world, and now they actually can say they are and do things and show other people.
She gets to teach me these things, and we're on a learning curve together in this journey we call life.
In Thornton,
Are you good? Yeah. Awesome.
Byron Reed, 9 News.